Hello, my Oakview friends. I have one more lesson for you before summer begins. This week, your lesson might seem really easy and it might seem really hard. I don't know how it's going to fall. I think it's easy. I want you to listen to music. I want you to listen to your favorite music. Come up with a list. Maybe you write it down. Maybe you just keep track of it in your mind. But I want you to think about why you like that music. Do you like the beat? Do you like it because your friends like it? Do you like it because somebody special in your life introduced you to that artist or that song? Why do you like it? For me, I like a song that has a catchy melody, something I can sing along to. I'm not into music that has a really heavy, crazy beat. I just don't like listening to that. I like more mellow stuff, probably because I'm old, huh? But I want you to think about what music you like and why you like it. And then I want you to really seriously listen to the message of the music that you're listening to. Listen to the message of the lyrics of your favorite music. What's the message? Is it a positive, uplifting sort of a message? Or is it maybe not the most uplifting message? I don't know. It's just something to think about. I want you to be an intelligent consumer of music. Don't just listen to it, but think about why you listen to it. Maybe you could find more artists like that just by identifying what you like. All right? Might take you 5 minutes, might take you 5 days, maybe it takes you all summer, but I want you to keep being musical, please, my friends. Fifth graders, I miss you. I won't get to see you next fall. Stop by, say hi. You always have a place in my music room. Third and fourth graders, I catch you on the flip side. We have got tons of music to make next fall. So you take care, my friends. Check in with me on my office hours. Drop a line on my blog. Email me. Take care, friends.